This is our new skid steer loader, Model 480. This model features a complete upgrade in both hardware and appearance. All hydraulic hose connections are protected, and exposed hoses are constructed of metal to ensure long-term stable operation. The lighting system has also been improved. The original external lights were easily damaged by impacts. Now, lamp covers have been added to house the lights, protecting them while improving illumination and expanding the beam range. The headlight angle is adjustable for convenient nighttime operation. The machine weighs approximately 900 kilograms and supports mechanical operation, but can also be configured with hydraulic pilot operation. One joystick controls the machine's movement, and the other controls the attachments. We will demonstrate this below. The equipment is equipped with an emergency stop switch. In case of an emergency, pulling the safety rope will immediately shut down the machine, ensuring operational safety. The cover is equipped with an automatic hydraulic support rod that automatically springs up to provide support when opened, replacing the traditional manual support rod and facilitating routine inspection and maintenance. This model is equipped with an enlarged hydraulic oil cooler, which has a larger heat dissipation area and higher heat dissipation efficiency. It can effectively control the hydraulic oil temperature. The tracks have been fully upgraded, with concealed wheel protection, 3 heavy-duty wheels for stable shock absorption, thickened wear-resistant material, and convenient tension adjustment. It also features a dedicated storage space for water cups and mobile phones, making it convenient to use. The footrest is equipped with a spring shock absorption structure, which makes it stable to stand, cushions, and reduces shock, and makes long-term operation more comfortable and effortless.